The 2025 Trump administration has faced significant scrutiny regarding its approach to international law, with legal scholars identifying multiple instances of potential violations. The analysis published by Verfassungsblog and other legal sources examines executive orders, official statements, and policy decisions that may conflict with established international legal principles. Key legal concerns and violations. Threats to territorial integrity. President Trump has repeatedly referred to Canada as the future 51st state, claimed in his State of the Union address that the U.S. will have Greenland one way or another, and asserted that the Panama Canal still belongs to the U.S. These statements appear to violate Article 2, Section 4 of the UN Charter, which prohibits threats or use of force against the territorial integrity or political independence of any state. The International Court of Justice has ruled that official statements by heads of state can constitute policy violations, reinforcing concerns about these remarks. Human rights and treaty violations. The administration has been accused of weakening U.S. commitments to international human rights treaties, including the Convention Against Torture and Geneva Conventions. A public statement by 16 U.S. human rights experts condemned the administration's actions as the most extensive assault on human rights and accountability by any U.S. administration in modern history. Experts argue that these policies undermine global legal norms and promote authoritarian interests. Executive orders and sovereignty issues. Several executive orders have challenged existing international agreements, including trade deals, climate accords, and military alliances. The administration's withdrawal from key diplomatic negotiations has led to increased tensions with allies and international bodies. Legal scholars warn that these actions could trigger disputes under international law, particularly regarding treaty obligations, policy, and legal impact. The administration's stance on global treaties has led to diplomatic tensions. Some actions could be subject to future legal proceedings. International legal scholars and human rights experts have publicly condemned certain policies. Smash that like button, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at 99rights_online for more legal quickies. Catch you later. And remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay empowered, and keep fighting for what's right. See you next time. Like this? If you found this information helpful and inspiring, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends and family.